You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the lights with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Extract the light box by pulling it towards you. Lever off the electric connector to remove it. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
To reassemble the whole thing, carefully put the connector board in place, then push down so that the tabs clip it in. You can then reconnect the connector. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.